If you're getting a fix ElevenLabs error playing audio message or the audio just won't generate, don't worry. This is usually a simple issue you can solve in a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes so you can get ElevenLabs working again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing to understand is that this error is often caused by the text you're trying to generate. If your script is very long, ElevenLabs can sometimes fail to process it properly. A good rule of thumb is to keep each text block under 1,500 characters. If your text is longer than that, split it into smaller paragraphs or shorter sections. This makes it much easier for the system to generate the audio successfully. So instead of pasting one huge block of text, break it up into chunks. For example, if you have a long script, divide it into separate parts and generate them one at a time. This not only helps avoid errors, but it can also make it easier to edit and manage your audio later. If the first generation fails, shorten the text even more and try again. Now, if you're seeing an unusual activity detected error, that usually points to your browser environment rather than your script itself. In that case, the next thing to do is disable any VPN you're using. ElevenLabs may block requests if it thinks the connection looks suspicious. After turning off the VPN, refresh the page and try generating the audio again. You should also disable browser extensions that can interfere with the site, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. These extensions can prevent ElevenLabs from loading or sending the request correctly. Try opening ElevenLabs in a clean browser session, or temporarily turn off extensions one by one until the issue goes away. If you're still having trouble, clear your browser cache and cookies, then sign back in and test the audio generation again. Sometimes stale browser data can cause login or playback problems that look like an audio error. You can also try using a different browser to see if the issue is specific to the one you're currently using. The key fix here is simple. Shorten long text blocks and remove anything that could trigger the unusual activity warning, like VPNs or extensions. In most cases, that will get ElevenLabs working again right away. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.